Best deals.
1. Peeler. Easy to use and clean. Cut the pomegranate into half. With the perforated filter on the bowl, place the half into the dome with the cut part facing the filter. Tap the back of the dome with your hand at the back of a spoon. The seeds will neatly separate and fall into the bowl. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Grater. It also includes a soft silicone handle. It is safe and efficient, which makes the knife easy to grip and comfortable to use for extended. Blades can be removed and sharpened. After that they can easily be put back on. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Spice rack. Has excellent flexibility and sturdiness. Rotating 360 degrees, you can quickly rotate the spice rack with jars to find the spice jar you need. The Ferris wheel spice storage keeps your seasonings and herbs organized. Spice holders holds 18 glass spice jars and is made of high quality glass. The rotating counter spice rack is made of heavy duty ABS, which is rust proof, more durable and stable. Spice jar organizer rotates well and looks great. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Madhu Vada Maker. Made from food grade, rust-free stainless steel. Just fill the batter and press. Gives perfectly round vadas and donuts every time. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Apple Peeler. Design, making it simple for children and seniors to use. Enjoy peeling together with your family, safe and effortless. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Egg Cracker. Quickly and cleanly crack eggs without the hassle of shells breaking into your dish. Small and easy to store, perfect for any kitchen size. Made with quality materials, this tool is built to last and is easy to rinse after use. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Wash Basin. For laundry has a smooth surface that is easy to rinse and clean, allowing you to keep the bathroom area hygienic. Just a quick cleanup after using the fold clothing board ensures that it's ready for the next load of laundry. Adopts unique hangable design. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Trash Can Bin. Convenient foot-operated lid opening system allows hands-free operation for improved hygiene. Durable plastic construction with a modern beige color scheme and contrasting gray trim for style and longevity. Ideal waste bin solution for multiple locations. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Lint Remover. Can easily removes lint, dust, pet hair and snack crumbs from clothes, furniture, sofas, car seat, sheets and carpets. Because of its special material and strong stickiness, Lint Remover Ball can easily remove hair and snacks without damaging any clothes. Made of advanced TPE material with strong macromolecular adhesion. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Countertop Organizer. Made of iron and has a powder coat to protect it from rust, corrosion and abrasions. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Turntable Tray. With its patented design, this extra large will make it easy for everyone to help themselves to their favorite dish. A great invention for the home. Makes a great holiday gift. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Chopper. This 1500 ml vegetable chopper easily handles bulk chopping and mixing of vegetables, fruits, and other ingredients with its generous capacity. A simple shake or twist of the chopper allows you to effortlessly chop ingredients into evenly sized pieces without manual labor thanks to the sharp stainless steel blades. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Innerwear Organizer. Is made of Oxford cloth and plastic board. The inner lining is made of plastic board, which can be directly soaked in water and can be folded. This box with 15 compartment drawer organizers is flexible for your home use. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Chopping Board. The rectangular shape offers a stylish, contemporary look while ensuring a comfortable grip, making chopping effortless and convenient. Made from high-quality, BPA-free food-grade materials, this chopper guarantees safe, toxin-free food preparation for your family. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Momo Maker. With them, you can quickly and easily make round and complete dumpling wrappers, Fill your stuffings and finish the wrapping. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Spice box. Crafted wooden masala box for kitchen keeps your spices neatly organized, making it easier than ever to find exactly what you need. The strategic design includes 8 small and 1 large container, each easily accessible, ensuring your favorite spices are always at hand. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Peeler. Removes just the peel without digging into fruit beneath. And the peeler should handle bumps and curves with ease and without clogging or losing its edge. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Garlic peeler. Made of food-grade silicone rubber, SGS approved, super safe, no color fading and mildew resistant, lightweight for easy use in the kitchen. Peeler can be hung easily to save space. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Coffee mug. Comes with a protective lid to maintain temperature and prevent spills, plus an integrated spoon for easy stirring. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Steamer rack. Is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel, durable, not easy to rust, anti-corrosion, strong heat resistance, easy to clean. The 3-stand design, and the base with feet increase stability, and the exclusive space for steaming eggs is specially designed and heated evenly. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Broom holder. The mop and broom holder organizer is made of tough plastic, which can hold up to 10 kg in total. Each ball holds up to 2 to 3 kg of weight. Fit to wall easily and never worry the hanger will fall down. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Brush. Has tough best quality bristles for superior cleaning and long life. Unique angular design for effortless cleaning. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Cake mold. Round-shaped silicone cake mold features non-stick, easy to clean, flexible, durable, heat-resistant, and freezer-safe. Its flexible feature makes your bend, twist and fold for space-efficient storage. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Dumpling maker. Made of high-quality environmentally friendly plastic. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Spice boxes. Made by high-quality food-grade BPA-free transparent PET plastic material which is safe to store food items. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Grapes peeler. Delivers one-touch operation for fast skin removal. Machine handles grapes, cherry tomatoes, garlic and small fruits with precision. Rechargeable multifunctional fruit peeler tool offers cord-free convenience for countertop or outdoor kitchen use. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Bowl. Made of high-quality stainless steel for optimum durability and has an elegant finish to add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Fish scaler. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Peeler. Blade cuts without damaging the orange and easily remove the peelings with the edge. Useful peeler tool helps to stop destroying your oranges when peeling away the orange skin by hand. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Tea strainer. Features a long handle and a resting ring designed to fit over a variety of pots and bowls. Features a sturdy outer framework and handle. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Table cover. High density fabric, heavy material that drapes nicely, is thick and wear resistant, effectively protecting your table from scratches and stains, perfect for dining occasions and does not harm to children. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Pizza cutter. The ergonomic non-slip handle fits perfectly your hand and finger protective guard will provides you with safety, stability. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Water bottle. Its flat, lightweight design fits easily in school bags, laptop bags, office briefcases and backpacks, ideal for travel, college. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Sunglasses display case. Easily installable on any smooth wall surface, this organizer ensures your glasses are always accessible and easy to find. No more frantic searches, especially when you are in a rush. Keep your glasses in a designated spot and find them in seconds with our perfect glass organizer. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Napkin paper holder. Lets you accommodate larger quantities and sizes of napkins. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Cloth drying hanger. Ensures seamless drying for a wide range of garments, from delicate lingerie to bulky towels. With its secure grip clips, you can trust that your clothes will stay firmly in place, preventing any unwanted slips or falls. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Napkin rings. Add elegance to your table without breaking the bank. Get a set of 6 and impress your guests effortlessly. Product link is given in the 37th link. 38. Wiper. Is a versatile cleaning tool that can be used on both hard surfaces and carpets. Rubber brooms effectively remove dirt, dust, and hair from floors and other surfaces, also can painted walls or windows. Product link is given in the 38th link. 39. Measuring spoon. Simply slide handle to adjust volume measurement, has easy red measurement indicators. Dismantles for easy cleaning. Product link is given in the 39th link. 40. Toilet cleaning brush. Has silicone bristles that resist clogging and rinse clean easily. A sleek toilet brush that offers performance and low maintenance utility, even with frequent use. Product link is given in the 40th link. 41. Vacuum sealer. With a long seal length of 30 cm and a tight seal width of 2 mm, every seal is tight and seamless. And, with the machine's built-in bag cutter, you can adjust the bag size according to the amount or size of food, ensuring that each sealed bag is just right for the food, effectively reducing waste and promoting storage efficiency. The LED indicator on the control panel makes the vacuuming process visible, ensuring smooth and clear operation. Product link is given in the 41st link. 42. Stand mixer. 1000 W motor with 100% copper winding, which multifunctional feature to cater to your all kitchen need. 8-speed level with stylish LED indicator with pulse function makes your stand mixer a robust companion for all beating, whisking and doughing needs of your kitchen. The product comes splash guard, which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy while mixer does its perfect blending, doughing or whisking. The stand mixer comes with overheating protection along with safety lock to avoid working hazards. Experience unmatched performance with a heavy-duty motor built to handle tough doughs, thick batters, and continuous mixing without overheating. Designed for durability and long life, the copper motor ensures consistent results every time. Enjoy total control over your recipes with the advanced LED touch panel. Choose from 8 speed levels plus a pulse function for perfect whipping, kneading, and blending. Whether making fluffy cakes, bread dough, or pizza base, get precision mixing at your fingertips, ideal for preparing large quantities for family gatherings or parties. Also includes a bonus 4.8L bowl, perfect for smaller mixers like sauces, creams, or dips, giving you versatility for every occasion. Built with a high-quality gear system, the stand mixer ensures smooth operation and long-lasting strength, even under heavy loads. The stable design minimizes vibration, while the premium red finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Your all-in-one solution for cakes, bread, cookies, pastries, and more. Backed by a 2-year warranty and reliable customer support, it guarantees peace of mind and a professional baking experience at home. 10 speed levels and pulse function supports doughing, beating, whisking for making various recipes like bread, roti, cake, cookies, muffin and much more. Use dough hook within speed of 1 to 6, beater within speed of 1 to 7, whisker within speed of 8 to 10. Use pulse function for quick blending as per need. The product comes with splash guard, which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy while mixer does its perfect blending, doughing or whisking. Tilt head is designed for easy to installing and uninstalling bowl and attachment. The anti-slip rubber cap are fixed at the bottom for safety and not spilling mixture. The easy prep tackles everything from soft fruits to tough dough effortlessly. Designed for long-lasting durability, the motor ensures high-speed processing and consistent output. Whether you're whisking, slicing, or grinding, this processor delivers powerful and efficient performance every time. Built-in overheat safety protection ensures the device automatically shuts off if it gets too hot, adding an extra layer of safety. Use low speed for soft ingredients like dough or creams, high speed for tougher items like nuts or carrots, and pulse mode for quick bursts of power, perfect for tasks like precision chopping or mixing. Features a unique feature that ensures uninterrupted, hands-free mixing by automatically initiating reverse motion to clear any blockages during mixing. It's stylish and attractive, suits any kitchen settings. It's strong and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle. Product link is given in the 42nd link. 43. Cold press juicer. Runs at just 40 rpm, using slow pressure to extract juice from fruits and vegetables without generating heat. This low-speed operation prevents oxidation, helping retain maximum nutrients, delivering higher juice yield and wholesome goodness in every sip. Designed for convenience, its detachable components allow for easy disassembly and hassle-free cleaning. Product link is given in the 43rd link.